Benny was a bunny who loved to eat. He loved crunchy carrots, he loved sweet berries, he even loved the green leaves that grew on the trees. Every day, Benny hopped around looking for yummy things to try. He sniffed the air for ripe fruits. He wiggled his nose at the smell of fresh vegetables. Benny was a very happy bunny when his tummy was full. One sunny morning, Benny hopped over to his grandpa's house. Grandpa was a wise old bunny with a long white beard. He loved Benny very much. He always had a kind smile and a twinkle in his eye. "Hello, Grandpa," Benny called out, hopping into the garden. Grandpa's garden was amazing. It was full of colourful flowers and delicious-smelling plants. "Well, hello there, Benny, my boy," Grandpa said, giving Benny a warm hug. "What brings you to my neck of the woods today?" "I'm hungry, Grandpa," Benny said, his tummy rumbling. "What yummy treats do you have for me today?" Grandpa chuckled. "Why don't you take a look around, Benny? My garden is full of surprises." Benny's ears perked up. A challenge. He loved finding new treats. He hopped through the rows of vegetables. He saw plump tomatoes, juicy strawberries, and even some purple beans he had never seen before. But then Benny saw a sign that made him stop. It said, "Great Carrot Contest." There were 5 different kinds of carrots lined up on a table. They were all shapes and sizes. "Grandpa, what's this?" Benny asked, his nose twitching with curiosity. Grandpa winked. "It's a game, Benny. Try each carrot and tell me which one you love the most. The tastiest carrot wins." Benny carefully took a bite of each carrot. Some were sweet, some were crunchy, and some were juicy. It was hard to choose. Finally, Benny pointed to his favorite. It was a bright orange carrot that tasted a little bit like sunshine. "That's a fine choice, Benny," Grandpa said, nodding. "But do you know what makes a carrot truly special?" Benny shook his head. Grandpa smiled. "It's the love you share while enjoying it," he said, giving Benny a gentle hug. "Food always tastes better when you're with someone you love." Benny hugged Grandpa back. He realized that Grandpa was right. He loved trying new foods, but sharing them with Grandpa made them taste even better. From that day on, Benny made sure to always share his food adventures with his grandpa because food, like love, was always better.